Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Hope you're having a great Friday. I got a mail call from Mr. Chris from Calizona Outdoors. Man, $13.60 for shipping. I don't know if the camera's gonna focus on that, but dang. Anyway, let's I don't even know what it is, so let's open it up. Got my my Gurren Lagann wall scroll behind it. It's one of those fabric type wall covers. So let's get to it. I got my Lost and Found Benchmade Griptilian. I don't really use it all that often because I don't actually like serrated as much. It's still kind of a cool knife, but now it's my official letter opener or package opener. Alright, let's see what we got here. Come on, tape. We got a note. Let me, we got quite a few goodies. Let me read the note off. I do appreciate that. So, we got a sticker, the vessel. He says it's his, I just read it too. His solo electronic project. So we have some instant noodles, soybean pasta flavor. I do love me some instant noodles. No, I've never actually used these before, but we got some hot lips. I do like my hot beverages. So those are cool. Some Snow Peak. Nice. Oh, I got another sticker from him. I'm not sure what this is, but oh, that's interesting. It's one of those cards with the blade in it. So there you go. It's like a little knife inside your card. Well, you guys can't see that. It's one of those little cards with the blade. Now I can carry it at work and they'll never know. That's awesome. Thank you, brother. I do like blades. Got another ramen. Ooh, and we've got 3 packs of vegetable recipe mix. This is good stuff. I gotta edit the videos still. Sunday, I use some of this in a meal, so I do like that stuff. It's really good. So stickers from his band, Grave Disorder. I'll have to check you out, brother, because I do like music. Got another sticker. I got the drops. Ooh, we've got some another vessel sticker. We got some Hereford beef taco filling. Sweet. I have not had these yet. He sent me 2 of them too. So I've found I can get the shredded beef in my area, and I've still got a meatball. But the first time I'll be having a beef, the beef taco filling. It'll be a first. So I'll have to plan a meal at some point using these. I like those Hereford meals. So we got a little light keychain. That's always handy. But I actually think I have a place for that too. And then we got some liquid IV drinks. Actually, I think I've seen videos for you, but I've never actually had them. So those would be good. I can pick nice stuff up off the floor. Because of my clumsiness, dropped the like little tinder tabs. Those are always going to come in handy because I do like to make fire. Honestly, I opened this up, but I'm not sure what it is. It's UTS. Forgive my ignorance, but I don't really know what these are. Unless it's one of those like things you put the water on and it turns into a paper towel. Hopefully he'll see the video and he'll tell me what it is, because I'm a bit of a loss. But cool. Alright, well I do appreciate that, brother. I really do. Calizona Outdoors, of course, will be linked in my description. You can go check him out. Cool guy, real cool guy. And yeah, I really do appreciate this. I'll have to check out your band as well, because I do like music. And then yeah, well anyway, today is Friday. I'm actually recording this on Friday, so happy Friday everybody. And I will see you on the next one. I will have a new video tomorrow, or midnight tonight, so tomorrow. And then one on Sunday as well, which I still need to edit, but I'll probably do it tomorrow morning for Sunday. And yeah, the card's pretty cool. I like that. I'll have to play with it. Maybe I'll mess around with it while I'm watching Gerbs live tonight at 5. So, all right, catch you on the next one. We'll see you next time.